Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for TAO price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And starting on the daily chart, we're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toward the upside, finishing a wave 1 or a wave A. After both case scenario, of course, we would like to have a correction in 3 waves toward the downside, where we probably have a W, X, Y here, finishing of course a zigzag for W and X of course with a small structure, and then a final wave Y for your wave B, finishing of course as this correction, and of course with it probably a wave 2. And you would like to see of course higher prices after it. And here we go, 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, finished with a higher high for your wave 5 in an impulse or ending diagonal, I would say, and then finishing a wave 1. After this wave 1, of course, you would like to see a wave 2 and then continuation toward the upside. Your wave 2 minimum requirement as a fib retracement is a 0.38 fib level. It has been touched several times so far, of course, and we're still looking for, of course, higher prices probably, but of course we need to finish this structure towards the downside. Don't forget that we are very also close to the 0.38 fib time, which is of course the minimum requirement for a wave 2 as well. We did not hit it yet, so I would say we still need like few days to hit this 0.38 fib time. I suggest of course a little bit lower prices, finishing the structure after the 0.38 fib level, touching for example 0.5, which would be a perfect of course fib level for a wave 2. However, we are looking here at probably an impulse toward the downside as a wave A and a correction for your wave B, meaning your wave C would like to hit the 1-to-1 fib level somehow for a wave C, of course, at $350. $315 would be a great, of course, place where the move toward the upside starts. And of course we might start to move of course impulsively for a wave C or for a wave 3, as we said, because we have wave 2 or a wave B here. And we might be of course in both case scenario, which it can be ABC for zigzag or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, even for higher prices. Now the perfect time and fib levels are of course still very far inside this blue box, where you would like to hit the fib levels between 0.618 and 0.78. Of course for a lower wave 2, and of course for a perfect fib time as well at 0.618, meaning that is after 21 February. And that of course is still a very long time for it. However, in case we are 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 is still very impulsive, it can be, right? Because if this is your wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, it still can hit of course this area, in case of course if we are impulsive toward the downside. It might be as well a contracting diagonal, 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, hitting perfectly the 1-to-1 fib level in an ending diagonal for a wave C, and then start to move towards the upside. However, be careful, after the 0.38 fib level, you have to always of course look after 5 waves up, 3 waves down, and continuation toward the upside, where you of course hit the high here as a confirmation for bullish scenario. If this pattern repeats after the 0.38 fib level and between of course these fibs here of the wave 2, of course you can expect a reversal and start to move toward the upside. So basically this was it for TAO price prediction. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.